Okay, this is Henry Park Primary 2024 paper Essay 2, paper 2, question 16. Take a moment, read through. Okay, so any idea how to go about it? Let's do it step by step, okay? Now, after she packed 14 large boxes and 18 small boxes completely with 1914. What does that mean? It means 14 large and 18 small can hold 1914. Okay, so let's just pretend star is the number of bottles in a large box. Number of bottles a large box can hold. Triangle is the number of bottles a small box can hold. Okay? So, we put this in an equation. 14 star is the number of bottles in one large box. So total number of 14 large boxes will be 14 times star, right? Plus 18 times triangle. Triangle is the number of bottles one small box can hold. Okay, so of 18 small boxes, how many bottles are there altogether? 18 small boxes. If one box is triangle, 18 small boxes will be 18 times triangle. So 18 triangle. So add them together, you have 1914. I didn't do anything special. I simply translated this into an equation. Okay? After that, she had some bottles remaining. Oh, she had a remainder. Okay? Now, the remainder, she could not use the remainder to pack another box fully because she needs another 15 bottles. So, what do we know? Okay, the remainder plus 15 will pack up a large box. Star, the number of the remainder bottles. If you add another 15, it's just nice to fill up the number of bottles in a large box. Okay? The remainder, instead, she used the remainder to pack a small box and still had 12 bottles left. Oh, so the remainder, you take away you use them to pack small box. So you take away triangle number of bottles and you still have 12 left. Okay? Aha! So, looks complicated. Let's try to get rid of R. Okay? Let's try to get rid of R. Let's put R on one side and everything else on the other side. So this one will simply jump over. 15 will jump over. So what do you get? You get R equals to star plus, if you jump across a equal sign, will become a minus. Follow so far? I'm just trying to put all the R's on one side and all the stuff on the other side. That's all I'm trying. So, to keep R on this side, 15 must jump across. If you jump across a equal sign, you'll get minus. Okay? Plus, if you jump across, will become a minus. So this one, okay, this one will become R, I'm keeping R here. The triangle is going to jump. Okay, jump to this side. Minus, if you jump across, so you get 12. 12 just copy. Okay, minus, if you jump across, will become a plus. Plus triangle. Okay, so far? Okay? So, if R equals to this, R equals to this, can I say this equals to this? Okay? Can I say this is equals to this? I can. So I just get rid of the R. Okay? So I just write, okay, star minus 15 is equals to 12 plus triangle. Aha. So what do I do next? Very messy, right? This thing is very messy. I want to keep all the shapes on one side, all the numbers on the other side. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so step by step. Okay, step by step. 15 is going to jump across. Okay, 15 is going to jump across. Star. If this jump across, there's only left star here. So equals, copy, copy, minus, you jump across a equal sign will become a plus 15. Okay? Now, next step. All the shapes are going to, this one is going to jump over here. I want to keep all the shapes on one side, all the numbers on the other side. I want to make it simpler. Okay? Simplifying things. Okay? So this one just copy. Now, triangle is going to jump over here. You always jump with the sign in front, not the sign behind. Okay? See, if you notice, every time you jump, you always jump with the sign in front. You never jump with the sign behind. So triangle is going to jump with the sign in front. Plus, if you jump across a equal sign, it's going to become a minus. Minus triangle. Equals, just copy. 12, just copy. This one already jump over here. What's left? Plus 15. Simplify it further. Star minus triangle, just copy. 12 plus 15, 27. Aha! So now we have two equations, this and this. Okay? Okay, so I'm just going to copy them both here, so it's simpler for you to see. Okay, I'm not doing anything special, I'm just copying. 14 star plus 18 triangle equals to 1914. Okay? Star minus triangle equals to 27. Okay, so you have two things here, star and triangle. I need to get rid of one of them. I want to even simplify it even further. I want a very simple equation like you see this a lot, like 12u equals to 36. I just want one unknown. Okay, so you have two unknowns here. I want to get rid of them. In this case, I choose to get rid of 18. Okay, I choose to get rid of the triangle. So how do I get rid of triangle? I must make this 18 as well. Okay, right now there's only one triangle. I need to make it 18. So how? This whole line, I need to times 18. Okay, star times 18, you're going to get 18 star minus triangle times 18, you're going to get 18 triangle. 27 times 18, go and press your calculator. $486. Okay. Okay. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to copy this line down here. Okay. I'm just going to copy this line down, so it's simpler for you to see. Okay, 14 star plus 18 star equals to 1914. Okay, so pay attention, class. Okay, 18 and 14 I can't get rid. 18 and 18 I can. Okay, so what do I do? Minus 18 triangle, I need to plus. Okay, I need to plus. I always tell my students, okay, minus 18 is like owing money. You owe somebody $18, okay? And then finally, you go and work and you make $18. By right, you will go and pay this person, right? You owe $18. You will go and pay this person back, okay? So even if you owe somebody $18, when you finally make $18, what do you get? Minus 18 plus 18, you get one big fat 0. You owe someone $18, and then when you make $18, you will go and pay him. So ultimately, you still get one big fat 0. Okay? $18 star. Okay, see, let me digress a little bit, If you already owe someone $18 and you minus $18 some more, what does that mean? That means you owe somebody $36. Okay? So it cannot be a minus. So this is what it means. Okay, you owe someone $18, and then you finally make $18. You pay back, and ultimately you get 0. Okay, you pay back. So you pay out the $18. So ultimately you're left with 0. Okay, if you owe someone $18 and you owe someone $18 and you owe another $18, how much do you owe in the end? $36. Okay? So I'm just trying to explain to you the whole idea. Okay? So coming back. Okay? This is extra. Okay? Forget about it. Coming back. Okay, so you owe someone $18. Now, add 18. You owe someone, you finally make $18. So I'm assuming you were going to pay him back immediately. So ultimately, you're left with 0. You don't have any money. 18 star plus 14 star, you get 32 star. This 486 plus 1914, go and press 2,400. Oh, very nice number. 32, 2400. Very nice number. 32 star equals to 2400. Star must be equals to 2400 divided by 32. 75. Okay, are we done? No. I need to know how many bottles did she have at first. Okay, I need to know how many bottles did she have at first. I know she already used up 1914. I just need to find remainder. Okay, she used up 1914 and she has the remainder. If I can find out the remainder plus 1914, I would know straight away how many bottles did she have in the beginning. Okay, so let me just solve for remainder. R plus 15 equals to star. Okay, or rather R, look here. Okay, we found out this one just now. Remainder equals to star minus 15. And we just found out that star is equals to 75. Okay, so therefore R equals to 75 minus 15 equals to 60. Remainder is 60. So how many bottles did she have in the beginning? 1914 plus, she used up 1914 plus the remainder which we just found, 60. 1974 bottles.